Most people are using AI wrong. These 5 free tools, I'm going to go through 5 of my best tools. There's 12. Build a storytelling email funnel in seconds. Okay, what we're going to do here, fill out 3 quick fields. What are you promoting? We're going to make up something. I am promoting, we'll say ClickFunnels. I am promoting ClickFunnels to an audience. We'll just put the 14-day free trial. Product or offer link. If you don't have a link, you don't have to fill it in here, but if you do, that's fine as well. Just you can use a dummy link. It tells you right here. So what we're going to put here is, we'll put the name of my site, one of them. The email goal, and you can be more in depth with this. This is just for demonstration purposes. The email goal we're gonna do right here: get sales, drive clicks. To get sales, drive clicks, and educate my audience. And then all we're done with that, AI is going to work right there behind the scenes. And when you're done with this, once you're done with, you get your email, you click this build a new email button, and you see it right here. Look at that. Unlock the secrets of sales with ClickFunnels. Your 14-day free trial awaits. Dear friend, let me take you back to a time when I was struggling to get my first sale online. I was like a ship lost at sea, tossed around by the waves of confusion and frustration. I had the passion, the product, and the drive, but I was missing one crucial ingredient: a reliable sales funnel. Then one fateful evening, I stumbled upon ClickFunnels. It was like finding a lighthouse in the storm. I'll never forget the moment I signed up for that 14-day free trial. Felt a spark of hope ignite within me. Picture this: I woke up the next day, coffee in hand, and dove into the world of ClickFunnels. With its intuitive interface, I built my first funnel in just a few hours. I watched as my vision transformed into reality, a beautiful, seamless pathway, guiding potential customers straight to my offer. And guess what? Sales started rolling in. Now I know what you're thinking, but how can I achieve that? Well, let me tell you, my friend, ClickFunnels is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It educates you on the art of driving clicks and converting those clicks into sales. You'll learn how to create irresistible offers, create stunning landing pages, and automate your sales process all in one place. And here's the kicker. You can start this journey today, and then it tells about the 14-day free trial. That's right, no strings attached, just pure potential waiting for you to grab it by the horns. Don't let indecision hold you back. ClickFunnels has been the catalyst for countless entrepreneurs, transforming dreams into thriving businesses. Are you ready to join their ranks? And then it tells you right here, more of the story. Imagine waking up tomorrow with a sales funnel that works for you while you sleep. Imagine the freedom of knowing that your hard work is paying off. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Your 14-day free trial is just a click away. Then your name goes here. That's where your affiliate link would go, or your URL to your website, whatever it is you're promoting. And obviously, these can get better and better the more detail you put in here. I am promoting, we'll just do a diet offer. I'm promoting ClickBank's top diet offer. See if it can pull something up. Mitoline. Now we're going to go back down here. And we're going to, it should be working. Yeah, it's regenerating. When this is regenerating, it's regenerating the whole email, so you don't even have to refresh it. So look for this button to regenerate. And here we go here. The secret diet is changing lives, and it's not what you think. Let me take you back to a chilly evening last December. I was bundled up my favorite sweater, nursing a cup of hot cocoa when I received a phone call from my old buddy Mike. Now, Mike has always been the life of the party, but this time he sounded different. Gary, he said, his voice a mix of excitement and disbelief. I just lost 30 pounds in 30 days. I nearly dropped my cocoa. What did you do? Mike, did you join some cult? He chuckled. No, I discovered this incredible diet called Mitoline. It's not just another fad, it's a game changer. Intrigued, I pressed him for details. He told me about how Mitoline combines the power of natural ingredients with science to rev up metabolism, curb cravings, and boost energy. It's like flipping a switch in your body, he exclaimed. Now, how good is this? This one's a lot better than the other one I did. But it depends on what you're promoting and the details you're putting in here and how well the story is written. But they're all Very good. And all you got to do is copy and paste this. Go on over to your favorite autoresponder. Paste these in as a broadcast or as, autoresponder sequence. Put your link in and you're good to go. So this is an excellent tool. I use it all the time and it saves me a lot of time. And like I said, it's built in with one of the world's top copywriters. So it's going to write better. It writes better than I can stories, and it's going to write better than you can. So this saves people a massive amount of time and fills a nice gap in the marketplace that a lot of people are looking for. So what we're going to move on next, that's the first one here. That's watching this video. I might replace this video. On my landing page, enter your name and email. Let me know where to send them, and I'll send them to you ASAP. So any questions you got on any of these tools, let me move my box here. Move myself up there to the right. Feel free to send me a comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. I want to thank you for watching this video. And yeah, check these out. These are a huge time saver. They took me a long time to put together all these tools. If you want to get your hands on all these for free, you'd be silly not to. You're also getting a lot of other cool free stuff here. Let me know where to send them. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching this video. And I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future video updates. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.